Alright, so this riff is really pretty simple. It's just all A pentatonic stuff. So the pentatonic scale, you should look it up. It's just a very simple scale that you can play on the guitar. It's not really important that you know the entire scale for this song, but just so you know where the riff came from, that's where it came from. And then let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to use mostly your index finger and your ring finger for this riff. So you're going to start with your index finger on 5th fret of the D, and then you're going to set your ring finger down 7th fret of the D, and then you're going to do the same thing on the G, 5th fret to 7th fret, index finger to ring finger, and then you're going to set your index finger down 5th fret of the B. So we've got, alright, and then you're going to do a very similar riff. So what that is just instead of starting index finger 5th fret of D, you're going to start ring finger 7th fret of D and continue up the scale. So you've got, so from the top, one more time. All right. Now we do a riff that sounds like this. So what that is pinky starts here on 8th fret of the B, then you go to 5th fret of the B, index finger, then you go to ring finger 7th fret of G, okay, back to index finger 5th fret of B, and then back to ring finger 7th fret of G. So you've got, so all together, here's what we got. Alright. Then the final riff is, so what that is starting ring finger 7th fret of G, jump to index finger 5th fret of B, back to ring finger 7th fret of G, now index finger 5th fret of G, back to ring finger 7th fret of G. One more time, a little slower. So all together. Alright, one more time. Alright, so hopefully that gets you a good start on this song. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.